We are heading over to a car show at Gilbert High School, and it is a fundraiser for their band. I'm not sure of all the details, that's all I really know. We got Carlos on the ride here. Check him out. That is a sexy bike. Hopefully that car show's not too dead, you know. I gotta watch myself, he might get me. Don't do it. Don't do it, I'm watching you. We have arrived. Ooh, balance. Dude, my balance game is on point today. Boop. So, as I was saying earlier, this is a fundraiser for their high school band. They have some cool stuff here, considering it's at a high school. So, I guess we will walk around and show you a few of the cars. It's a Supra. Wow. That's nice.
Alright guys, we got about 45 minutes before the voting closes on the cars. 10:15 is when we're going to cut that off. So you
dude, look at the thickies on that.
4-door sedan. Come on up and grab your pre-registration.
She yours? She yours?
Yeah.
That's beautiful.
I appreciate it, man. Thank you.
That's nutty. Ooh, they got more GTs here. I always love a nice clean GT, you know. There's just something about them. That is a clean car. Now, for a high school car show, they've got some real interesting stuff here. The Hellcat Durango. I've always wanted one of these. I like the interior. The seats are pretty nice. I really like that. Okay, hear me out. Twin turbo Hayabusa swap this thing. Drag slicks and a wheelie bar. Throw it on a drag strip. One of these days, if I'm ever rich, expect to see me with the twin turbo Hayabusa swapped. Something. You know what? I'll Hayabusa swap a golf cart. If the day comes that I ever reach 1 million subscribers, honest to God, I will Hayabusa swap a golf cart. I'll do it. Hold me to my word. If I reach 1 million, I'll do it. I'm parked right there if you want to park in that space.
Okay.
So.
You're between the R1?
Yeah, I brought the R1 and the R3. So.
I haven't seen the 60th anniversary R1 yet. Did you bring it?
Yeah, I didn't ride it. My dad did. I rode the R3, but.
There's so much gravel in here.
Yeah, I almost slipped over there. I almost dropped the.
Yamaha Central. Literally. Oh, those are almost just so nice.
Yeah, yours looks pretty sick too. The pictures really don't do it justice.
No, they don't.
Alright, well, we're heading out. We're gonna go to Cane's, get some lunch. Hold on, watch this. Oh. No. I love that exhaust. He's gone!
So funny seeing all Yamahas.
Yeah. Alright, well, we're back from Canes. Heading over to right now. Look at a few bikes. Run! What? He left his bag. He left his bag at Canes. He left his bag. He left his bag. Oh, he forgot his bag, so. I have a cramp. I have a cramp in my leg. Ow! I have a cramp.
I forget my belt bag. Usually it's always on me though, so that's probably why, because I never take it off. Oh, lovely, thank you. Just...
Oh, that's cute. We're twinning. Alright, well, we are heading back. Well, nice meeting you, and well, I guess we're splitting up now. Get it, girl. Well, we're heading home, which means this video is coming to an end. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.